Let's talk about WMF Profi Plus Vegetable Peeler. "19 cm peeler in high-grade Cromargan 1810 stainless steel. Ideal for thin peeling of vegetables like potatoes, carrots and cucumber. Indestructible, dishwasher safe and rust resistant. WMF Guarantee against manufacturing and material defect." This product from WMF is part of a comprehensive range of kitchen tools. Very good quality, but the slit blade is far away from the handle. Therefore it is uncomfortable to grip when you want to put pressure on the peeler. My fingers end up on the blade instead of staying on the handle if I want to have more control over what I peel, otherwise it's like trying to write whilst gripping the pencil from the top end rather than closer to the lead. I have had a number of vegetable peelers over the years, but must confess that this one is the best so far. A little more expensive, but the quality is very good. The weight is just perfect for peeling and it is nice and sharp enough for the job in hand, but not so sharp that you can cut yourself. I am going to buy a second one. If one is in the dishwasher I always have a spare one. I wanted a nice looking stainless steel vegetable peeler for my salsify and potatoes. This one is well made, as I had hoped given the brand name, and it feels good in the hand. It works well. I have only given 4 stars as I have not had it long, and 5 stars require it lasts and works for a good few years.